European logistics is changing, with more safety and fairer competition. These are the goals of the EU Mobility Package, but what has long been routine for heavy trucks presents operators of light commercial vehicles with entirely new challenges.
We operate a hybrid fleet here. We already know the tachographs from the large trucks inside and out. Having to equip all of our vehicles weighing over 2.5 tons with these specific tachographs was a truly significant challenge for our team. And it changes the rules for everyone. In express logistics, we sell time. Our business model relies on absolute flexibility. The hard reality in our industry is that only a moving vehicle counts. If we are now suddenly required to plan for fixed driving and rest periods, it represents a massive intervention into our entire operational department.
The solution starts in the vehicle. By utilizing the Smart Tachograph version 2, such as the 4.1B model and newer versions, transport companies can meet all legal requirements, reliably and legally compliant.
Anyone who takes the retrofitting lightly now is gambling with their existence. Authorities monitor smartly and via remote call. If the tachograph is missing, or an old device is installed, we risk not only fines, but immediate impoundment at the border. Freight stays stuck and promises are broken. Drivers have no desire for truck bureaucracy. The real game changer was the ability to operate it via a smartphone. No small buttons on the device, but convenient input via app. After a short time, it was integrated into daily life. Today, this tool makes perfect sense. In order to transport express goods with the level of flexibility we are accustomed to, we require precise data. Flying blind no longer works. With the VDO Fleet and VDO Link telematics solution, which is simply plugged directly into the tachograph, that situation changes. This level of transparency makes us significantly more efficient, allowing us to better utilize capacities, plan legally, and calculate transport costs. A simple duty became a real management tool.
To keep your business running, VDO gives clear recommendations. First, check your fleet. Second, you must install future-proof hardware, such as the DTCO 4.1B model or newer. Manage your tachograph data efficiently using VDO Link and VDO Fleet. The fourth step is to train your personnel. Avoid unnecessary fines due to operating errors. VDO supports you with online training. Make your fleet future-proof now.